Okay guys, we have a customer that has one of our Helixes. He's had it for a long while, and he rides in a lot of mining areas. And in mining areas, you get iron ore dust, which is pretty abrasive. And it looks like he actually picked up a nice rock, and it chipped the Helix. Now, he was wanting to buy a new Helix, and I told him, I said, send it to me. I can clean it up, I can fix it, I can save it. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. That way you don't have to send it to me. You can do it yourself. So what happens is when you get that abrasive material inside your clutch, it sits in between the ramps and the sliding pads, and it grooves it up. Now this Helix is not as bad as it looked on camera, but it can be cleaned up for sure. And he thought it was worse than this, but this is nothing. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how to clean this up. You're going to want to get yourself a die grinder or a grinder. I'm using my Milwaukee, and we're going to want to get a green cookie, is what I call them, the green ones. And then you don't want to use a new one on this because a new one will be too abrasive. So you want to get this one. I got a used one, so you want to use it and just kind of wear it down a little bit. And then all we're going to do is take it and work at it like this, and we're going to polish it right out. Boom. Look at how much better that is. It's nice and smooth now, and it doesn't remove a lot of material. You just got to keep it uniform on there and keep going. Don't stay in one spot for too long because you don't want to take off more material on one spot than another. It does take off material, but not a whole lot like sandpaper would. And this is going to blend and polish that real nice. Look at it. See where that divot used to be? Now it's actually nice and smooth, so it's not going to tear up his sliders, but that's how you do it. See that where that dent was? Look, nice and smooth. We worked on it. What do you say, about 10 minutes, Ronnie? Probably.
If that.
If that. We got all them grooves out of there, or about 90% of them grooves out of there. And like I said, if you keep just going, steady pace, and don't take off too much material out of one spot, the ramps will still keep their uniform shape and still be fine. So we just saved this guy $200 because he was gonna buy a new Helix. Was like pretty adamant about buying a new Helix, and yeah, so we saved him money, and he'll be a happy customer yet again. And I warned him about that iron ore dust to kind of clean his clutches a little bit more frequent than he normally does, and that should help. That stuff is some nasty stuff. It's all over this Helix. It looks like he cleaned it pretty good, but yeah, so we're gonna get this customer his Helix back. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry I don't have the old fancy camera and the mic today for this video, just a quick one. Peace out, God bless. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Check out our website, www.rngperformance.net. We'll see you in the next one.